This is Jessica with Trauma Services. High-traffic drug areas are public locations where people suffering from addiction often congregate to inject illegal drugs. As a result, these areas are often littered with discarded needles and other dangerous drug paraphernalia. We all know that discarded needles in public areas are some of the biggest health hazards we face in our communities. HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C are among the range of pathogens that can be transmitted through accidental exposure to discarded needles. These high-traffic drug areas need to be regularly cleaned in order to ensure that discarded needles do not continuously accumulate. At Trauma Services, our team of professional biohazard technicians will regularly service your city or town's high-traffic drug areas to safely and securely remove and dispose of all needles and other drug paraphernalia. Remember, collecting needles is not something that should be left to town or city workers. Only professional technicians with correct PPE, training, and resources to safely dispose of biohazardous materials should attempt such a cleanup. Give us a call or click the link below to request more information about our needle and sharps removal services.